Hey y'all, just some kayak catfish. Tonight's video is going to be a short one. I've been on the water about 3 hours tonight, and during that time I have gotten a grand total of 1 bite. But the bite I did get, thankfully, was a pretty good fish. So I thought, let's go ahead and post this video, maybe throw it up like a little midweek kind of extra video. And again, guys, it's just been that kind of night. You know, the old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. The same is true with fishing. You can put your baits right in front of them, but if they're not active, they're just not going to bite, and that's kind of been the case tonight. I've marked a lot of fish on the graph, but like I said, 1 bite. Here it is. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's a good one. He took it down hard. That's a whole gizzard shad. About 8-9 inches. Took the whole thing. He's swimming, buddy. Look at him go now. Now he's pulling some drag. It's a big bait. I got 2 pieces of cut bait on those 2 rods. I got a head and a body section of gizzard shad. I got a whole gizzard shad on this one. So far, I've been out here about an hour and a half. It's my first bite. See the bubbles, I don't see him. Ah, not bad. Not a bad fish. Alright guys, let's bring him in. And I'm going to set him down right here on this board real quick and get a quick measurement on him while I'm at it. Alright guys, that fish right there is about 37 inches, just over 37 inches. So. Nice fish. Nice fish. Been out here a while. Just, you know, it's been one of those nights, just very slow. No taps at my baits, nothing. But, you know, I'm on good structure here. I'm sitting on a point right on the end of it. 37 feet of water. We got one. All right. Let's let him go. See ya. He gone. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Short and sweet. Unfortunately, I'll try to do better in the next one. Thank y'all for watching.